Sagittarius, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. This is your weekly reading from 8th of July till 14th of July, and this video is for you if your sun, moon, rising, that is ascendant or lagna, and Venus are in any of the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm using my Lenormand cards and will be drawing a 9-card tableau for you people. I hope you've watched your zodiac-wise monthly reading. Jupiter retrograde and Saturn retrograde career and relationship readings. If not, the link is there in the description box. That will, watching them and along with this will give you a holistic picture of what's running in your life. So let's begin. If you want to learn Lenormancy, you can send your interest in the details given in the description box. This is for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus from 8th of July till 14th of July. Okay, let's vote on them. Journal, Whip, Sickle, Lily, Child is your central card, Anchor, Tower, Lady, and Owl. Okay. Okay. So our central card is Child, so there is something to do with a new beginning, some sort of curiosity, some sort of, wanting to know, learning new things, and talking, being chirpy, all that. Okay, that's a central theme. I normally begin with the two corner cards, which is the starting and the end cards. That gives you an overall picture how this reading will be. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire signs from 8th to the 14th of July. An overall read that I can get is there is somebody in, like, you meet and gives you some sort of some piece of information you receive, which gives you about your life, about how you should be. So it can be you meeting, you going somewhere, or you thinking about, or you're curious about starting afresh in terms of your education, in terms of learning, in terms of some sort of higher education it can be, or somebody inspires you for that, or somebody just casually says something, and because of your curious nature you decipher some sort of information that can help you to start afresh in your life. So maybe, because it is journal has a lily, and lilies are career cards also. So maybe, for giving some sort of stability in your life, because we also have Anchor here, I think you'll learn, you'll educate yourself, you will find out some information, some certificate course also. And you take that advice from somebody who's not very serious, because owls and birds are very restless people. They just casually say something, and but it hits you. It actually gives you that piece of information which is what your life requires. Okay, so let's see how that works out for us for this whole tableau. Okay, apart from that, we have two more, these four cards. Now let's see how they are placed. So Journal, Tower, yeah, you are educating yourself for sure. You're meeting your friends, and there is a sudden change that comes into your life. So you actually cut yourself from from that stagnancy of your life, and you actually move towards some sort of security. So at least that information you're definitely getting, some sort of sudden change, because normally a book with the cloak tower is actually taking admissions, going back to your school life, college life, educating yourself, reading books, okay, getting that knowledge or wisdom from somebody who is an expert, because you also have Lily here. So Lily is an expert person. It's career card also. So that's how. Okay. Okay, so you're definitely meeting somebody who gives you a piece of advice that helps you to find more stability, bring some sort of new beginning, and removes you from your daily mundane activities, a repetitive pattern which probably you didn't like. Okay, now before I read the rows and the columns, let me read the diagonals. The first diagonal, journal, child, and owl, is what we just talked about. You're curious about these two are education cards. So you're curious about some information, and somebody very casually gives you. The second diagonal is star, child, sickle. So something very old. You once again, you bring about some sort of sudden change in your old patterns. Or rather you do the same old stuff with some sort of change that you might have never thought about. Okay, it can also, for some of you, how should we talk about this and this? If we talk about child and sickle, it can be, if you have kids, you'll have to be really careful with them. They may get some minor cuts or something, and that too because I think they are very restless. They are kids are like that, right? So be very careful. Cut your expenses. That's very important when this row comes into picture. Cut your expenses with respect to your child. If there is a medical thing, that's all right. But I think something that, like, your child has a repetitive pattern of some conflicting patterns of in terms of money matter. So please make sure that anything new that you're starting or anything related to your child, that should not waste, there should not be a waste of money. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Should we not read the diamond first? The outer diamond. So we'll start with Lily. It's okay. It starts with Lily, whip, anchor, lady. Okay, so there is okay. Lily is a very bright card. It says that anything in your life doesn't happen. It takes time to transform things and achieve that stability or something. It cannot happen that you think and it will happen. So there is some sort of conflicts that you are having with somebody elder, somebody expert in your environment. With that particular conflict is all about your stability itself, and it involves a woman, because we have a lady card. So I think it is like you have an elder lady in your environment with whom you'll have some fight, some arguments, but that argument is also all about your stability, because you are very curious to know about something. So it's like you are actually being pulled back to think again, and simultaneously you receive an information which is like, I just want to do it. So you are rushing into one direction, and somebody from behind, an expert, is actually telling you to be stable, be secure, look for your security also, just don't make those changes. And somehow you get into that conflict, that tug of war. Okay, that happens, and that happens in everybody's house. So here it is very much clear: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, Lily and whip has also to do with sexual attraction. Regarding, in case you have a lady You have a lady of significance here that you're looking for long term, because there is cloak and anchor here, they are knitting with one another. So there is, in case you are looking for a relationship with somebody, you are actually sexually attracted also, somehow, and you, as well as, good thing is at least you're looking for some long term with this person, with this lady. um, Interesting. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So first, now let's read the rows and the columns. So first column is journal, whip, sickle. So you get to know, you bring about some sort of massive change, sudden change in the older patterns once you get some sort of revelation. So you come to a point of realizing that, something needs to be removed, something needs to be changed in the environment. This behavior, this pattern won't work. This sort of conflicts won't work. That needs to be changed, and that's a very good move. It's a very good move. Also, it suggests that maybe you'll get into some sort of fight with somebody and you may injure yourself. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you're a fire sign. There's a lot of ambition. There's a lot of fiery energy. Very energetic people. Don't get into fight, at least this week, because this is not the right time. Okay, either you'll hurt the other person or you'll yourself get hurt. Okay, so these are different events that may happen with whosoever is watching here. Not everything will resonate with you, because when we read a Lenormand general reading, each card tells you some sort of story. See what is resonating in your environment. So don't get into a fight this week, in case once you get to know some sort of information you get. Okay, if somebody elder is advising you, please don't get into that fight or don't quarrel with this person, because this person's intention is your stability. Okay, make sure that you cut on to your over curious, immature behavior when it comes to something long term. Okay, if you are sexually attracted to somebody and you're looking for a long term, I think it is a good time to talk to this person. But whole idea is, if you'll have to judge yourself on the grounds that whether this physical attraction that you have towards this person is a long-term one or a short-term one. So that sort of advice also you can take from somebody some elder person or somebody, an expert, or maybe you can go to some counselor or a consultant, somebody like that. Okay. What was I reading? I forgot. Okay, so the first row we did. Second row is Lily's child anchor. Yeah, so this is career card. So in your career, if you want stability, it's very important to be curious, introducing new things, learning new things. That's very important. That's what I can tell you. So keep talking to people, learn new things, because anchor is also knitting with journal, and anchor is knitting with the tar here. Okay, and this column is all about education. So some sort of new things you're starting, something new you are learning, so that you can polish yourself, polish your skill sets, and that will give you sort of long-term stability in your career, in your life, in terms of money. Okay, yeah, and you can start afresh. So control your over curious nature, because of which we not everything of the old has to be replaced. You can take time to replace the old and get into the newer version of yours, or a newer work life environment for yourself. But take time, take advice, don't get angry. Okay, last card is Tar Lady Owl. So you get this, probably you're meeting this lady who is an expert, who is an advisor. who has the experience of life, and she gives you some piece of information, maybe casually, or you are talking and something spills out of her mouth, and then you get some brilliant idea, something of that sort. So be with, if you at all have to talk and invest your time and effort into anything, please make sure studying, enhancing your knowledge, talking to experts, not to any immature person, and take advice. That's very important. Okay, that's what I'm getting from your rows and column, rows and diagonals and all. Let's read the column. This I have already read. It is all about getting some information, acquiring more knowledge about your skill sets, and that can help you have long life in your career, or more, it will make you more committed towards your career. Okay. Yes. Okay, the center card is whip, child, and lady. So this, okay, so your childish behavior has to be, this is of T which is forming, this. So your childish behavior has to be taken care of. So that's what I was telling you, that don't rush on to some information. As far as learning is concerned or educating yourself is concerned, you should be really fast. But when it comes to implementation of an idea in terms of your physical realm, in terms of your career and the other things, make sure that you don't leave the actually established, organized and structured things of your life behind and only focus on the newer ones. You will have to balance that. That's very important. Okay, the last row finally is sickle, anchor, owl. So yeah, this is a card which is actually telling you that probably there you wanting a sudden change in in your security angle, in your career matters, in something long term or whatever, and for that you're talking to people. You want to bring about some change in your life, for which you're very desperate to bring in that change, but so you are actually meeting people, so you're taking some sort of advice. So anchor and bird is a card which talks about curtail that restlessness of yours. Focus more on your stability. Of course, you have to learn new things so that you can introduce new things, you can be creative, you can re-strategize and strategize and review and revise your work and upgrade yourself. That's a part of the work. But just rushing onto some information just like that without a proper planning, that can actually curtail or cut through your security angle. That can compromise. There can be a compromise you'll be ultimately doing in terms of your security. Okay, in terms of your money matters. Also make sure that you don't overspend. Okay, but yes, in terms of your career, for sure, you are taking a major step. Be slow. This is what I am getting from here. Take advice. Don't fight. Don't get into argument this week. Take advice, follow that, educate yourself, be slow, be curious, but be slow in taking action. Okay, at least for this week. Alright, so this is what I have for you. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please share it with your loved ones. Subscribe if you have yet not subscribed, and hit the like button. Do share in the comment section about how this week treats you. I'll be waiting for your comments. And if you want to learn Lenormancy, you can connect at the details given in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.